how to cancel your subscription with Rocket Money. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can cancel your subscription with Rocket Money. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Rocket Money app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on this gear symbol. Then, you have to click on Premium Membership. After that, you have to scroll down until you see Manage Membership. So, just click on it. Over here, you have to move this bar to $0 and click on Cancel Subscription. After that, it will ask you 2 or 3 times to cancel your subscription or not. So you have to just click on Cancel. So that's how you can cancel your subscription with Rocket Money. That's all for this video.